Hello, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Today we are going to create something different. So, since the beginning of time, a lamp has been more than just a source of light. It's a symbol of hope in the darkest nights, a reminder that even a tiny flame can fight back the shadows. Today, we are going to recreate that warmth on the paper on oil pastel lamp that tells its own story. So, let's get started.
Let's start with a simple sketch, just a tall oval shape of the glass chimney, a little piece to hold it, and the gentle curves to give it that vintage look. Don't worry about the perfection, the glow of the colors will bring it alive. Every lamp shines because of the darkness around it, so we will begin with the glow. I am using bright yellow at the center. This is the heart of the flame. Around it, I will blend soft orange and red, like ripples of warmth spreading through the cold night. Remember, oil pastels blend best when you layer them. Use your fingers or a piece of paper to gently smudge the colors and make the glow smooth. For the base of the lamp, I am using grey and black shades to make it look metallic and sturdy. A lamp may look delicate, but it carries the strength to hold the flame steady. As the light spreads, the shadow depends. Here, I will use darker shades of red, brown, and even black to the flame of the lamp. Just like the life, the darker the night, the brighter the flame appears. To make the glass chimney look real, I am gently blending the edges and adding small highlights with white. This gives it the soft glow as if the flame is breathing inside. And for the soul of our artwork, the flame, I have kept it white at the center, surrounded by yellow and softly blending into orange. This little flame is the heartbeat of the painting. I am finishing with the black shadows that makes the lamp looks real and gives the painting a realistic vibe.
This lamp may look simple, but it carries a message that even in the darkest of times, a light is born from within. Whenever you feel surrounded by shadows, remember, just like this painting, the inner glow can light the way. Thank you for painting along with me. If this artwork warmed your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join me in creating more art that tells the stories. Till then, bye.